Here at the ARC Centre of Excellence for Electromaterial Science, we are committed to training the next generation of researchers in an interdisciplinary, collaborative research environment. Amongst our initiatives is the master's degree in Biofabrication. And I'm going to introduce you to some candidates who are just finishing that degree here in Wollongong. Borja, what brought you to Wollongong?
Well, Gordon, to be honest, I always wanted to come to Australia. So when I started my master in Utrecht and they offered the possibility to do like a double degree and come here to Wollongong, I mean, it's a top tier university with a lot of knowledge and understanding on 3D printing and very close to the beach. So I guess it was like the perfect match.
Yeah, biofab by the beach, eh?
Exactly.
So tell us a little bit about your particular project here in Wollongong.
Well, I've been focusing mainly on the purification and extraction of collagen type 1 from the fish, from a marine source, the skin of a fish. And we've been focusing on the post-modification of this collagen in order to make it like suitable for 3D printing, both mechanically and structurally.
Yeah, and in a project like that, what are the key technical skills that you had to acquire to do that?
I've come from a more biological background. Back at Utrecht, I was mainly working with cells. So here I had to really develop like all the chemical part of the material science, like more the extraction and purifications, working with the chemicals, actually knowing how to dispose and handle them. It was pretty challenging, to be honest. And of course, the characterization techniques, like working with rheology, with the mechanical and spectroscopy techniques, it was like a good wrap-up of the whole skills, I would say.
Yeah, and I'd imagine that you'd have to draw knowledge from quite a number of different fields in order to be successful in a project like that. How have you found the interdisciplinary aspect of your work?
Yeah, it's actually very challenging, to be honest, to work with a wide spectrum of people, but it's also really fun. Like, of course, the communication skills you need to develop to transmit your ideas to another group of people that actually don't share your own background, so you have to go a bit more in detail or lower down the tone. But to be honest, it's great fun because getting the input from these people, like seeing how they will approach the problem from a biological perspective or from a material science, a more technical one, it's really enriching.
And what's the most exciting aspect for you, for your project here in Wollongong?
I would say I'm very excited. Two main points. The first is like we have successfully extracted and purified the collagen, and we have actually tested with some commercially available ones, and they are very similar in that sense. So we have done a great job. And the second one is we have actually managed to print collagen, which in itself is quite challenging. And yeah, I'm very happy.
And so now you're finishing up in Wollongong and heading back to Europe. What's the plans?
Well, I have nothing set in stone, to be honest, but well, 3D printing is like a really interesting topic. I think it's like improving, but it's still very exploited. So I would definitely, I'm not sure if I will do a PhD or work in a company, but I will definitely would like to keep up with working in it, in the technology and in developing it.